So we've got a solar panel system which generates power for us on an everyday basis. And so we consume power, but we also generate power through the panelling systems.
With the current energy prices, what this is doing for us is supporting our business by giving us 20–25% of the energy consumption that we produce ourselves, which means our costs are driven down where you don't buy off the grid. We also get rebates by selling it to the grid when we get surplus amounts of energy.
So we've been banking with Lloyds for 100 years, but over the last 5 to 10 years since moving to this site, the extra capacity and floor space has enabled us to invest more heavily in better and bigger machinery. The initial investment for these machines is significant, and from a cash flow perspective, we could never do that just on a single purchase. So Lloyds enable us to pay back those loans over a long period of time, which enables us to get it in as quickly as possible and utilise the machine from word go.
I think Lloyds understands that for us, in order to remain and grow in this industry, that sustainability is a key part of the business. They've engaged with us in many different ways, including seminars, and to create a platform for business to be able to talk about sustainability and how they can support us and other businesses to move in that direction.
In the last year or so, or last 3 or 4 years, it's become a demand from our suppliers and from our customers that we are engaging in sustainable activities. So everything from what we can control to, but also where our raw materials come from and where we ship out to and the distribution partners that we work with. So sustainability is now in everything that we do and embedded in our senior management team and all the discussions that we have for product development going forward.